Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to dive into how machine learning is transforming geoscience. If you're a geoscientist or just fascinated by Earth's complex systems, stick around because this is going to be insightful. So let's start with the basics. Machine learning, or ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating algorithms capable of learning from and making predictions based on data. Unlike traditional algorithms, which need explicit programming, machine learning systems actually get better as they process more data. Think of it like teaching a dog new tricks. The more you practice, the better the dog gets. In geoscience, ML is nothing short of revolutionary. We geoscientists deal with massive datasets from sources like seismic surveys, satellite imagery, and geological samples. Traditional methods are often limited by the sheer volume and complexity of these datasets, but machine learning can quickly analyze them and find patterns that might go unnoticed by the human eye. For instance, ML models are being used to analyze seismic data to detect hidden geological structures. This is crucial for oil and gas exploration and even earthquake prediction. Imagine the possibilities if we could predict earthquakes more accurately. ML can also interpret satellite data to track changes on Earth's surface, monitor volcanic activity, and even predict natural disasters like landslides or floods. The potential here is immense. Now let's talk about the principles of machine learning. It's all about data processing, model training, and iterative improvement. The three main types of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, a model is trained on a labeled dataset where the input data is paired with known outcomes. For example, predicting the mineral composition of a rock sample based on its physical characteristics. In unsupervised learning, the model is given data without predefined labels and must find patterns within the data, like grouping similar geological features. And then there's reinforcement learning, which involves training a model to make decisions by rewarding correct actions and penalizing incorrect ones. This is often used in scenarios like optimizing drilling processes or simulating geological systems. So why does all this matter? Well, ML enhances the precision and efficiency of our research, improves our ability to predict geological events, and supports the sustainable management of Earth's resources. It's literally changing the game for geoscientists. As ML continues to evolve, its potential to transform how we understand and interact with Earth's dynamic systems is huge. So whether you're mapping out mineral deposits or predicting the next big quake, machine learning is here to make our lives a whole lot easier and our work a lot more accurate. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's keep exploring the wonders of geoscience together. Cheers.